it's summertime round 09. On the corner, real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad.
Hello. Hi. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Can I see y'all out there? Let me put on my glasses. Let me see who all out there. Welcome my money squad. We in the building and we are on the camera and we are back with another review. If you haven't joined the Money Squad, hit that little bell or whatever that is, that subscribe, and turn it gray in the voice of my guy Bobby Sneakers. We're enjoying the Money Squad. We're trying to hit 10K and we're going to have a small giveaway on the way to 7,500. And if you want to join the team, hit that little join button. All means do so. But at the very least, hit the like button. Leave a comment. I will get back to you. I used to say within 48 hours, but I don't say that anymore because sometimes the comments get lost in the sauce. So they get lost in the sauce, but I will get back to you. I will get back to you. That I promise you. And also make sure you go subscribe to the home team, 313 Retro Queen, McFly PMKICKZ, and the Who Has the Heat channel. It's not channel. Pretty please. I'm looking all scruffy. I know. It is what it is, right? Also go subscribe to all my featured channels on there. You already know what to do. Now, with that being said, I don't know if this is an impulse buy, a good buy. When you walk into the store, you're not so used to seeing shoes on the shelf. And I saw this shoe on the shelf, and I had to actually hold it in hand, get a chance to dissect it, look at it, all of that good stuff. I was like, oh man, something interesting and all of that. And then mess around a chance to always Brian give me to buy something, and this is what I end up picking up. Bang! This is definitely was not on the list. It was definitely not on the list. This is a personal pair, as you can see, size 10 and a half. Official colorway, white, racer blue, black. It's just the retail price, $190. And I like what they do with these boxes, 3s and 4s. Now recently they do the color code, so you got your boxes stacked on top of boxes on top of boxes. You try to have an idea when they put you to know your good shoe is there, like this. You got the racer blue, the other one I had, the purple and the overseas. That's like the Phoenix Sun colorway. You got the red with joints, so forth and so on. So you get the drift, right? So you got the blue, you got the elephant print, very dope. Inside, I don't see no stamp around though. But on the receipt for these, yes, I copied these from Champ for a whopping, what is this? $190. It says $190. But after all of that, I got it for $50 coupon for $140. So $140. The door there. You see the paper. See that like so. And we always like to do the left shoe. Look at that. What you think? Look at that. No air on the ass. Which y'all already know. 3056 air unit. Tinker Hatfield shoe. Free throw line shoe. And Jordan took off on the free throw line and drove everyone crazy. Now, I'm going to keep it a buck with you. I don't know if I'm going to keep this shoe. Y'all let me know in the comment suggestion below. Should you keep it? I'm looking for a trade bait because I still got to finish my fours. I need to get my tote unions and I need to get the Armor 3. These probably could use a lace swap, either gray or blue. That would actually set them off. But enough of rambling, you came for the review. So here it is. So underneath you see you got the gray with the white with the Jordan. Typical Jordan 3 underneath the bottom. To me, this racer blue probably goes along the line with the not the Katrina red, but just the regular red shoe. I forgot the name. I'm having a brain fart, but you keep up with 3, you know which 3 I'm actually talking about. Then you got your pop-out stars, right? See that you got your pop-out stars, and then on the toe you got that real dark, real dark elephant print. Now I don't know if you can see it, but real close you get up there, he got like the little hump going on in the shoe. The materials is pretty good, not bad. You can see you got some wrinkle, right? Oh, wrinkle a little bit. Actually, the leather not too bad. You got a cushion for the push. You see that? It goes in. You got your Jumpman stitched in, which is always dope. You got your gray sock liner. So you got to be mindful of those sock bunnies if you wear dark socks, right? Sock bunnies. You can see the blue on the side. Not that bad on the paint stroke on there. Pretty good. You got your air unit. Like I said, some people might not like the super dark elephant print on the shoe. It's interesting. And then you got the racer blue on the back. So now Nike Air on the ankle. Bad, so sad, right? Then you come out on the media side, pretty much the same thing. Perforated holes for the gray, all of that stuff. You pull out the shoe tree, of course, and it says, survey said 10 to 10 and a half. So these dropped last week actually, so I'm a little bit behind, but like I said, shocked that these actually were in store. Production date is 1/20/21 to 4/15/21. Wow, about 3 months to produce these. Interesting. So I don't know if these on the release calendar or what, but they got them out from my understanding. Some of the stores over in Vietnam had COVID cases, so they shut down, so stuff is coming out slow. So if you don't get the shoes the first time, don't fret. It's probably coming out in slow quantities. That's why we got the low numbers. Now you can see right here, you got a little bit of imperfection on the shoe. I'm not sure what that's all about, but definitely, like I said, if I keep these, I'm doing the lace, so I gotta break up all this white. It's a little bit too much white. Probably gonna do with blue laces for sure. Dope, fresh shoe smell. Nothing like the foam posits or the one, but I would definitely take it. You see white insole, racer blue Jumpman. You see that, of course, inside the shoe. But like I said, this shoe was definitely a hated or love it. I don't know, too many people might be on the fence about this shoe. So with that being said, we're taking a look. Take a look at the other one real quick. See that one, give it a quick spin-a-rooney. Shout out to Booker T. Put it in the correct effective hands. So I don't know, you tell me. Look at that. White, a cup of tea. I guess on the lit meter out of 5, I get about a 4.5 out of 5, I guess. I mean, it's nothing spectacular, but if you don't have like the true blue, or you didn't get, I guess, the Carolina blue, then you could get the racer blue as an alternative and do what you may want to do. I'm not sure if you can choose the custom or whatever may have you, but it is what it is. You see, I got a little bit of blue right here actually. See that? See that right on my finger there? Yeah, right there. That good. So yeah, you see what that is. So yeah, 4.5 out of 5. You guys let me know what you did on these. Did you cop? Did you decide to save that money? You're going to wait for something else that comes that's a little bit doper. Like I said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We can chop it up in the comment section. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.
It's the South's favorite mixtape supplier. DJ Ant Low is in the building.
Bitch, I'm rockin' chain like a field nigga.